Hi, it's Chris here, and wanted to do this quick testimonial for something that has changed my life actually, but it's one that's perhaps difficult to openly talk about. My wife, through a friend of hers, had heard about a situation where the friend's husband had managed to enlarge his penis, and it took a few months and made a significant difference to the size. Anyway, we got chatting one night and my wife said, "Look, why don't you do it?" I thought, well, frankly, who doesn't want a larger penis? And if it's going to improve our sex life, well, great. And boy, has it improved our sex life. It's been about 3 months now, and I've grown 2.5 inches, which is just amazing. So thank you very much, John Collins. Been a difficult one to put this together for you, but for those people watching, the reason I'm doing it is because I've been so thrilled with the results. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope.
Hi, I'm Vanessa. My boyfriend Adam started using the Pennis Enlargement Bible in secret. I really had no idea until I started noticing that it got bigger, just all of a sudden. So I told him, Adam, you got bigger down there, and what's going on? Just like I said, I had no idea. He told me he grew by 2.5 inches in 5 months, which I was really surprised. My relationship was fine, but now it's amazing because I feel so close to him, and our sex life is incredible, honestly, and all thanks to the Pennis Enlargement Bible. This is a great product, I must say. So thank you so much, Mr. Collins. You're amazing. You made our relationship so much stronger, and it's not like it's all about sex, but it is kind of.
Honestly speaking, I'm very excited to share something extraordinary with you guys today. I was being laughed when I was little. When I was a child, people were laughing at me and they were saying that you are small, if you know what I mean. Small. And my family actually thought it is funny to be laughed at me because of my size. Honestly speaking, my penis size was very small, and I was very frustrated. That was a kind of thing always on top of my mind, that I'm small, people laughing at me. What's going to happen in the future? Millions of men, just this is the fact, millions of men is facing that problem right now in the entire world. And so then I start searching online that what is the solution? There should be a solution for that problem. I cannot live my life like this. And then finally I find out Pennis Enlargement Bible. Guys, trust me, you guys need to use this. I have grown 2.4 inches since I started using it. I'm measuring every second day. This is how excited I am after using Pennis Enlargement Bible. Guys, every man should out there use it. Even my wife recently told me, before I start using Pennis Enlargement Bible, that I'm small, that you were too small. And now she don't joke about it anymore, because she's happy and satisfied. Guys, I'm so excited. You guys have to use, if you have the same problem, and I'm sure a lot of men out there have the same problem, use Pennis Enlargement Bible. Unbelievable product. It's definitely gonna increase your size no matter what. Guys, do it right now. I will highly recommending to everybody. I'm a living example sitting in front of you. My life was miserable. Use it, guys. Pennis Enlargement Bible. And you're gonna.
I was always happy with my size, but got divorced. And while some guys want to do sports car, I want to get my penis size up to 10 inches. I found the Pennis Enlargement Bible and grew by 1.5 inches and got my mojo back. I have to say a big thanks to John Collins. He knows his stuff, and it's a no-brainer. If you want a bigger penis, get the PE Bible.